Hey class, there are often two assumptions that are underlying individuals' expectation of what a public speaking class is. And as we discuss this apprehension and anxiety, I find it to be a great time to explain those to you. And hopefully I can jump ahead of those assumptions in each of your mind and put those assumptions at ease so that they aren't the things that are preventing or standing in the way of you becoming the speaker that you can be. The first thing that I want to address is this idea that speakers believe they have to be perfect or do things good in order to get a good grade. This is a public speaking class. It is a basic class where we are learning the fundamentals of speech. I do not expect for any of you to be experts on this information. I don't expect any of us to come in as expert public speakers. All of us are at different levels of speaking and different levels of comfort with speaking in public. That assumption that perfection has to be there is one that oftentimes prevents people from even speaking in the first place. There is no such thing as a perfect speaker. I don't expect any of you to be perfect. People make mistakes, and this class is where I want you to come and make a lot of mistakes, because this is where we are going to make those mistakes before we go out into the spaces of public discourse, when we start to engage with groups of friends, or when we put our active social voice out to the public. This is a place where I want to come and make those mistakes before they ever go out there, so that when you do have to get on your real stage, then you feel more polished. You feel more confident in what you are saying. You know that these are the words that are going to work for you, for this particular audience. And regardless of how smooth that speech looks or how many words you remember or don't, it is the message that will come through. And when we get out of our own way of that idea of perfection, it frees the individual in being able to express what they want. So try as you will to go through, at least starting from day one with this semester, going through saying, I am not going to expect perfection. Amanda doesn't expect perfection. The world does not actually have any perfect public speakers. I'm going to do my best, and that is all that is required.